Alright, here's what I do when my MSI monitor doesn't want to turn on. First, I suggest checking your power cables, make sure everything is plugged in. What if you have checked and it still doesn't turn on? So what I suggest doing is going to be starting your PC and then spamming the delete key on your keyboard so you access the BIOS. It might be different for you, but I'm going to show you why this works. So I'm just going to press this and I will spam the delete key on my keyboard here. Okay, so once you spam the delete key, you should enter the BIOS. And why this works and why it turns on your monitor is because it gives you the lightest resolution, so it's not a high resolution. As you can see, it's very grainy. And here you can access the BIOS, but essentially what you want to do is not do anything. You just want to leave it on the screen for about 10-15 minutes. My PC or my monitor usually doesn't want to turn on if I haven't used it in 3 to 4 days. That's an issue with MSI monitors. So yeah, I just leave this for 10 to 15 minutes and afterwards I just exit it. So I'm gonna press escape and then you wanna press quit without saving, and it should work. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.